Hello, all. We are all heading to Denver, Colorado for the 4th of July long weekend. It's going to be a 4 to 5 days trip, and we are all excited and set to explore this new beautiful state.
Turn left onto Red Valley Lane, then turn left onto Red Valley Circle.
Kids had a long day and they are
Turn left onto Red Valley Circle, then your destination will be on the left.
beautiful so far. And we have come to a friend's place, Nikhil's friend's place. We'll be here and roaming around and exploring this new state. This is Mia. Arvika, who's she? Mia. I've come to his house, Viku's house. Hi, Viku.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, I'm proud to be in this.
Thank you. And they have a beautiful big house with a big backyard with a gazebo and Colorado. It's a beautiful weather today. It's perfect. It's 4th of July. It's a good time to be here in Colorado. Denver. So we are at 6:20 p.m. and we are heading to a park. What's
Garden of
what's that
Gods.
park? Garden of Gods. Yes. So we are all tired, actually sleepy, but we are excited to see something new here. Our friends are following us, or we are following them. Denver is Colorado's capital?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, 100%. Teacher gamer.
Okay. Good, Shania. And then it's also, I think, 6,000 feet above sea level. So it's at a very high altitude.
Turn left onto Frontage Road,
Seattle
then turn
is
left onto the I-25
at sea level,
Southwest.
and we are 6,000 feet, above the sea level. And even though it gets very cold in winters, like minus 20-25 degrees Celsius, still they get good amount of sunlight. So which is very nice. That we miss in Seattle. Like that's something that we miss in Seattle definitely, like sunshine. But yeah. See? We have entered the gods of the gardens. The garden of the gods. Nekha hai? What is the name?
Garden salad.
Nahi sang na Nikhil.
Garden of Gods.
Garden of Gods. I think that's the place we are planning to go. Garden of the Gods. July celebrations, and we are just in the backyard of a friend's place. This is awesome.
And this has been going on since 1 hour.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Hello, good morning. This is day 2 of our Colorado trip, and we are now heading to
Grocery stores.
grocery stores. Nahi, uske baad, where are we going?
Red Rock Amphitheatre. It's naturally formed.
Yeah, Red Rock Amphitheatre, and we are also going to meet his niece for lunch today, somewhere in downtown. And it is very hot right now. It is in 90s.
Oh, yeah.
32 degrees Celsius, 33 degrees Celsius aisa hai. Very, very, very hot, and we are all set to spend this day outside in the city of Denver. Let's go, girls.
Mama, Panina, you can share this.
Girls, stay in, okay? I'll take you out in a few minutes.
Hello. It's gonna be, it's so sunny and it's gonna rain as well. We are here near the amphitheater. Hello, look at this place. Dude, this structure is like next level. Ah.
It created an acoustic environment, so they made a concert.
Oh.
So the natural the rocks that you see right on your left and right, they are natural rocks, and they provide a good acoustic for concerts. So they don't have to install anything else.
Natural thing.
Theater. Right?
So this is a natural amphitheater formed out by these red rocks. It was pretty cool structure, and there are concerts happening almost every weekend in this place. Now we are heading to Denver downtown to have lunch. Nikhil's cousin. Nikhil's niece. And Shanaya's cousin. Shanaya's and Arvika's cousin. So we are now at Boulder City, and this is a very happening street here. Hey, what street is this again? Pearl Street. And they have like restaurants, and it's like a beautiful place to just take a stroll on. They have some quirky shops, some restaurants, and some kids play area. चल ही रहे हैं हम लोग स्ट्रीट पे. So outdoor sitting restaurants there. It's a pretty road. So we are at the Avanti restaurants. It is a
Restaurant of restaurants.
Good morning. This is day 3 of our Colorado trip, and we are now heading to Aspen. Aspen is a beautiful city in Colorado. It's full of mountains and valleys. It's around like 3.5 hours drive from where we are staying. And yeah, let's see. So we are going to stay there for one night and then explore the springs. There are like a lot of hot springs over there. It's just, the weather is just too hot. It is in 30s. So I don't know like how we are going to go inside the hot springs in this hot weather. But we'll see. We'll take a call. They say that our friends were saying that you should do the hot springs for sure because it's a very unique experience. So we will see what we are going to do.
I think the fun part is the elevations. We are going to be almost 10,000 feet above.
Yeah. Right now we are around 6,000 feet, but we are like
We'll be going up, then we'll go into 2 cities, Breckenridge and Glenwood Springs. So it's a fun road trip. Just have more range, right? This is just mountains.
We are going on a short trail to see the troll. This is the same area as the troll.
Cool.
Let's go. We are planning to go over there, get the tickets. This is a free gondola ride. Just hop and go.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Pretty cool. So we just got down from the gondola ride, and we are here where there are, I think, some summer activities. There are restaurants. Pretty cool place. Wow, such Such an amazing vibe. Come, the posing. I'm starving right now. I'm very hungry.
So many activities here. She's hungry. And then after
Let's
that,
find
we're gonna
some
do this
food.
to digest the food.
Come.
Why is
I made it easy for you. So here there is a big food court. There are like a lot of options here. We grabbed some veggie burger and pizza.
cheese pizza?
Now you were able to sit properly, right?
Now we are going up to go to this ride. This one. Yeah. Guys, are you excited?
Yeah.
Almost there. This is a big ride down.
Can I have five?
Oh, this is like such a big ride. We are going to do that. Yeah.
We are not that fast.
We are now going to the Emerald Lake. Sorry, not Emerald Lake. It's called Sapphire Lake. This is our stop for tonight. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is day 4. Day 4 of our Colorado trip, and we are now in Aspen. And
Going towards Aspen.
this is Glenwood.
Springs.
Yeah, we are in Glenwood. We stayed here for a
Glenwood
night. It is around an hour's drive from here, and yeah, Aspen is, I think, in US the most popular skiing area. We are planning to do this 1-hour tour, bus tour in Aspen, where they are just going to like take us to some popular spots. Good. This is our ride. We are in which city right now?
We're in Aspen.
Arika, Shania, hello. The bus dropped us off at this point to explore. So this is from our return journey from Aspen to Castle Rock, where we were staying with our friends. So while coming back, we took a different route, and it was called Independence Pass. We were on top of the hill, which was around 12,000 square feet above the sea level. This was such an heavenly place. Oh my goodness. The kids were sleeping in the car, so we decided to take turns and do a quick hike to get at the edge of this hill. And Nikhil was able to quickly go in and capture some amazing, pictures. And I too got my turn. So come on, walk with me to experience what we see at the end of this road. Look at those clouds and look at this scenery. I mean, I have never seen such a beautiful place in my life. At least I don't remember seeing one. Yep, so this was it. This was the edge of the Independence Pass. And as you can see, there are multiple layers of mountains. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and see you next time. Bye.